Christmas vlogs. So we have reached ATM. So you can see there are a couple of riders right there. Okay. Now, as everyone is here, we are starting our ride. The time is 6:43 in the morning. Everyone is getting ready. We are heading towards Daulatabad Ellora. Okay, they will catch up with us. Let's go ahead. Okay, we have got a ninja. You guys know? Hello, Sushil. Aman. Okay. So from here we have to take a right.
Waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We would like to take a stop right there. Jar 220 Street, the Duke 390 in white color, and about 350. Duke 250, Ninja 300. That's mine. The Duke 390, RC 390, NS 200. FZ and Aprilia. So अभी थोड़ी देर रुके हम यहाँ पर, यहाँ से फिर हम जाएंगे और आगे. The time is almost 7. So everyone is lining up right now.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello, Sushil. So we are done with our breakfast. Now we are heading back to Aurangabad.